now I am at Hotel Ambassador Bangkok. Now I have already done one review of this hotel and you guys have really appreciated that video, and a lot of comments, a lot of people have liked that video and they have taken advantage of the review, and they have also booked this property for their holidays. Now this time I have come back here to this hotel, and this review is going to be exclusively for their new sky wing. They have renovated this part of the hotel, and it's absolutely elegant and very new look, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy this as well. So next time when you're looking out for booking at Ambassador Hotel Bangkok, you can opt for a new sky wing. This is a very premium property. Look at this huge lobby, and the area is called Square Wing. That's the old wing of this hotel. Earlier they had a direct passway to Sky Wing from this place, which they have now closed, and they have created another passway. There are beautiful chandeliers on the ceiling here, and a fantastic reception staff who's always there to help you out with. So she is Miss Moon, and she is also a very good, lovely lady to take care of all your requirements. She is very happy to help the guests, and she will be always there with a smile to take care of you guys.
Welcome to Ambassador.
So guys, this is Orange at Hotel Ambassador. She is at the reception, and she takes care of check-in, check-out process. So anytime you guys are coming here, meet Orange and she'll be taking care of you guys. So this is the room I have on the 14th floor. As soon as you enter the room, you have a huge full-size mirror. The bathroom is very nice. They have a large LED TV here, sofa, a small table, chair. Then this is how the bed is. Very comfortable bed, and overall this is how the interior is of this room. Now I am at the 14th floor here, and I'm going to show you how the view is from this place. So they have no balconies, but yes, they have large windows over here, and this is how the city view is from this room. This is the entire property of Hotel Ambassador. You can see the swimming pool, which is quite nice. I haven't used that yet. They have a very good swimming pool over here. Also, they have a nice fitness center as well. I'm going to show you the entire property, the entire wing I'm going to show you, and I'm sure you guys will love to be here. This is the new entrance they have created to going to the restaurant and the new Sky Wing. A lovely restaurant here. You can have your breakfast, and the staff is here to take care of everything. Right now, the breakfast is over, and the restaurant is now preparing for lunch. A fully equipped fitness center for your workouts. So if you are a fitness freak, yes, this place will make sure that you do not miss out on your regime. Along the fitness, there is a yoga center as well. Nice Swimming pool for the guest. This is a part of the property on the third floor. They also have a coffee shop called Espresso, and you can have your morning breakfast and coffees over here. A very beautiful sitting area, and there is one 19th century bronze and copper coffee machine, espresso. This is basically Hongdae Chinese restaurant. Beautiful entrance. There's a staircase going to different parts of this building. Lounge, cafe, restaurant, fitness center, and sala Thai. We also have a large meeting room for people conducting their seminars and programs over here. A huge area, a sitting capacity of about 1,000 plus people. Right now there is some convention going on. A very nicely done hotel. Basically this is a most premium hotel, and the prices are surprisingly very good, very affordable. The hotel has also created this sports setup for boxing. Property also boasts some shops over here. This is Merit's Tailors, and they take care of all your requirements when you want to make some nice suits and pants and shirts. So guys, do come here and visit this place. They'll be very happy to serve you and give you the best prices.